What if launching a casino didn't mean rebuilding everything from scratch? A casino API is a direct integration layer between your platform and multiple game providers. Instead of managing separate connections, contracts, and technical integrations, you access everything through one structured gateway. Games, wallet, player data, reporting, all unified. Without a centralized API, every new provider adds complexity, more contracts, more testing, more operational risk. It's not just technical convenience, it's operational efficiency. With 2WinPower, you get faster provider onboarding, stable performance at scale, adjustable RTP, and of course, connection bonuses. We offer over 5,000 games and 200 payment systems, including crypto. Build faster. Scale smarter. Operate with control. Let's connect your next casino project. We are waiting for your call.